Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into today's video review. Before we jump into the exciting details of the brand new Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings. Now, let's talk about the incredible features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's equipped with not just one, but two Nano SIM slots, giving you the ultimate flexibility and convenience when it comes to managing your calls and data. Not to mention, this phone is IP68 certified, meaning it's both water and dust resistant, so you can take it with you on all of your adventures worry-free. But what really sets this phone apart is the fact that it's a brand new, inactive, original genuine product. This means you're getting the latest and greatest technology straight from Apple, with the peace of mind that it has never been used or tampered with. So, if you're someone who values authenticity and quality, this is the phone for you. And the best part? You can get your hands on this amazing iPhone 15 Pro Max by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your tech game with this top-of-line smartphone. Trust me, you won't regret it. So, what are you waiting for? Click that link and make the best investment in your tech life today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.